All clear. Enjoy your ride, guys. Bye.
This year's Canyon Blaster Gray Escape, their Aero Mine Train. This one was actually relocated from Opryland in Nashville, which is crazy when you look at this ride because it looks like it was built for this terrain. Especially the first half when it's basically hugging the ground. So this ride has 2 lifts, and here we go. I like all the scenery you pass in the first half. It's a nice aesthetically ride. Now the one weird thing with this ride that's pretty evident when you look at a POV, back when this park was owned by Six Flags, they only painted the parts that were visible from like the main midway. So you have parts of the ride, like the first half that's out of like the main pathway, that part could use a repaint. But there's parts of this that are bright red right next to the midway. Especially the helix, so it's just a painted, unpainted. Going really slow in the helix. Feels like we're gonna almost stall out. Yeah, this helix built up some good speed by the end. Here we go. That's Canyon Blaster. Helix gets a little jerky at points, but you know, it's tolerable. Yeah, definitely this ride's strongest point are the little thematic pieces next to the first half.